Hey guys, Tim Knox here. Hope you're having a great Saturday. It's a beautiful day here in Alabama. I am here in front of the computer, just going through some of my email and looking at some of the group input that I've got. And I've noticed one thing in the Entrepreneur Code group. Several people have asked me how to start their own Facebook group. And it is super duper easy to do. I'm going to show you how to do that. Before I do though, let me give you a little tip. If you want to know how to create anything on Facebook or use Facebook, the best source of information is the Facebook help files. Now, if you go over here, click on the little dangly thing there, you're going to see it bring up help. You can type in a question, and chances are Facebook will tell you how to do whatever it is you want to do. If you're too lazy to do that, ask me. I'll do it for you. Okay? So, how do we create a group? Really simple. If you go to your homepage, over on the left, you should see groups. If you click on that link, it's going to take you to a page that displays the groups that you're already in. It's also going to give you the option to create a group. See that little button there that says Create Group? Click it. When you do that, you're going to have to do a couple of things. First off, you're going to have to give the group a name. I'm going to name mine Test Group. You have to add at least one friend to create a group. And it can't be you. It can be anybody that you want if you're on your friends list. I'm going to use my daughter, Sierra, simply because by doing this, it'll give her an excuse to come yell at the old man. Why did you add me to that group? I'll delete you. The next thing you've got to be concerned with are the privacy settings. Now, if you go here and you click there, go here, click there, you're going to see there are a couple of different kinds of groups. There's the public group and the closed group and the secret group. What are the difference? If you can read it. If not, I'll read it for you. Anyone can see the group, the members, and their posts. Meaning if this is a public group, anyone public, they don't have to be members of the group or friends of yours, can actually see the posts and the members. A closed group, anyone can find the group and see who's in it, but only members can post. For example, if you were looking for a group on entrepreneurship and you went and you typed in entrepreneur and my group Entrepreneur Code came up, you would be able to find the group. You could see the members, but you couldn't see the post because it was closed. And then finally is the secret group. And this is a group that only members can find and see the post. It's not going to show up in the Facebook search. I'm going to make mine a public group, meaning anyone can see it, anyone can see who's a member and can see the post. So once you've got those parameters set, you simply click Create. Da, 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 da. You get to choose an icon for your group. Now the icon is going to be displayed over on the left hand side, and you can see there are a lot of different icons here. You can choose one if you like. If you want to just skip it, I'm going to choose how about a teddy bear. You click on teddy bear, you click OK, and you are taken to your group. Now, once your group is created, there are a number of things you can do to personalize it. You can upload a cover photo here, and I believe the parameters on that is like an 850 by 390, something like that. If you go on Google and type in Facebook cover image size, you'll get that size, and you can create that here. You can choose a photo you've already uploaded. You can create a new one, completely up to you. You can also see that you are ready to go, and you can do the first thing you need to think about doing is what members do you want in your group? Who do you want to invite? Now, really easy to add members. You can just go in here and start typing in friends. You can see now it's suggesting some of my close friends, my wife Melissa, my buddy Dave Koziel. It's funny, this shows you who I talk to. But what will happen is you can add members directly, meaning the members are added to the group whether they like it or not. Now they can remove themselves from the group though, but if there is an administrator who has to approve members, what will happen is all those members will stack up here until the administrator, that would be you or whoever you give administration privileges to, say, okay, you can join the group. Excuse me. And that's really about it. Now, there are parameters you can set as far as privacy, who can post. You can, if you go here and click the little thing there, you can manage your group. You can create an event for the group. This is one you should take a look at, edit group settings. This is where you can make changes. You can pick the type. If you want to change it from public to private to secret, you do that here. You can say membership approval. Any member can add or approve members, or any member can add a member, but they have to be approved. What that means is this: if you have any member can add or approve members, any member of the group can add new members. You don't have to approve it, they're just automatically added. If you click this one, which I like doing because I like to manage who has access to my groups, a member can add other members, but they're not going to see anything until you, the moderator, approves them. A couple of other things you can do as you go through here. If you want to customize your group's contact info so you can create posts using email or quickly share, you can set that up. You can customize the link or the web and email address of the group. Again, create a name for your group's web and email address. For example, my Entrepreneur Code group is eCode. So if you wanted to, you could give this, I could type in test group, what have you, so someone could then go to this link rather than the really long link you see here. So again, that's up to you. You can name it whatever you like. I'm going to customize that address. Oop, somebody's already taken it. I have to come up with something else. So it's just a good way to shorten this URL. If you don't do that, you're going to give them this URL for people you want to bring to the group. So other things, you can write a description, you can set up tags, you can change permissions, etc., etc. Again, that is going to be listed under the Edit Group Settings in your drop-down menu there. So that's it. That's how easy it is to create a group in Facebook. Some people ask what's the difference between groups and pages, because you can also set up pages in Facebook. It's really easy. A group is a group. It's where everybody gets together, everyone can post, disseminate information. It's really kind of a networking group, which is why they call it a group. Pages are a little different. Pages are used by businesses, organizations, individuals, and they're more there for branding and to disseminate information and entertainment. For example, if you look over on my left-hand side, I've got pages set up for my books. I've got pages set up for my interview shows, etc., etc. So the group is kind of a group, and pages are more for branding. I don't let just anyone post on this page. I'm really the only person that can post, even though other people can comment. So that's the difference. If you want kind of a group, again, you know what a group is. I'm not going to drive this into the ground, but if you want something that is a way to promote your brand or promote your book or your product, you can look at setting up pages. And adding a page is just as easy as adding a group. You click on it, etc., etc. All right. So again, don't forget, there's always help right over here on Facebook. But if there's anything that I could explain to you, I'm happy to do it. So set up a group. Get out there, get grouping. Just don't add me to it. Okay, you can add me to it. See ya.